Yeah,
I am not choosing, bro, but I have an idea about become a data analyst.
yeah, okay.
Just idea, bro, but I don't know whether it's okay or not, bro.
Yeah, super, bro. Because in this much of people, there is a actually I need to tell one fact. Okay, many of the college peoples are like first year students. They don't have any ideas what they are going to become in future. Okay, you at least you have to know about the data analytics,
Yeah,
right?
bro. I know the basics, bro. Somewhat.
Yeah,
What may I mean.
it's enough. Even though in my first year, I don't even know about what is data analytics. Okay,
Okay.
so after that only I am to learn all these things, and now I'm here, right? Who's that is the part. Okay, it starts with our
Okay,
self
bro.
awareness, understanding our strengths. So if you believe yourself only, then only you become strong in that one field, and that
Okay.
you make that career and that thing as your passion. Okay,
Okay,
so
bro.
remember, career choosing a career isn't a one-time event. It's a journey, and every step we take brings closer to find where we truly belongs. Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you for your.
yeah, I would like to give. I would like to you recommend you people some applications like developer essentials. Okay, we need to take this in very much detail about this career guidance. But before that, we need to start with the scap writer. Okay. How many of you have LinkedIn's GitHub and like for a web developer? Like okay, if it goes to very core only. But I'm talking about general things. How many of you have GitHub account, LinkedIn account, and all other social medias like information gathering, like X? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Good number of people have accounts on it. Okay, it's happy to see you that you people have account on this. How many of you using it daily? Yeah.
Can't
Okay.
understand.
You take what, bro?
I can't understand, bro.
Okay. LinkedIn, GitHub. Have you heard it? LinkedIn, GitHub, and all other social media app and data collection. Like if you go to the X means you can get some information about it, right?
Oh, okay, bro. Okay, bro.
Likewise, those applications which will help you in the future.
Bro, then what about VS, bro?
VS Code, yeah. As I said already, if we take that into our essential web developer essential means it will go into the code because VS Code is used to do all the stuff like if you want to do AML projects, if you want to do web development, it comes all in this core only. That's why I didn't say that. But yeah, obviously it's also there. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, and then I would like to recommend you guys to have a practice of um, multiple choice questions, like in techie way. Like there is some website which will help you to boost your knowledge by attending the questions. Choose the correct answer, like multiple choice questions. Okay, and simply I can ask you that LinkedIn. Okay, I just go with basics. How many of you know which company does this ChatGPT was? Who introduced the ChatGPT? I mean, which company? If somebody knows, means you can answer. Otherwise, I will tell you. Nobody knows about it. Guys, nobody. Okay. The ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI. Okay, it's a company which yeah, you can also post your answers on in-call messages also if you can't turn on your mic. Okay, yeah, the ChatGPT was introduced by OpenAI. It's a AI company which is going to produce this ChatGPT. Okay, um, it's one of the famous thing, right? That's why I'm talking about ChatGPT, and I think many of you familiar with ChatGPT and Meta AI. It's because everywhere we are using in WhatsApp, Instagrams, likewise, right? Yeah. Then I would like to come upon with internships and projects. Okay, it will be explained by our organizer Harish about in the detailed way. So later we will discuss about all the stuff like by choosing which career we are going to become what and what is the future aspects and past and present aspects. Okay, Harish.
ஒரே நிமிஷம் guys. பேசுங்க.
Yeah, Harish, you can continue.
Yeah, thank you, Hemant. And as Hemant said, you have notes on it, right? He has said that there are some platforms which we must need to enroll ourselves to be part of the current tech trends. As we are in a BE or BTech, so this is a necessary thing we must do in a right way. And he is also insisting you to learn the current trend via having some quizzes or something, like reading uh, regularly. So also he has mentioned some main points. As you all know, uh, like how we go with the next paths. But in before the things, I would like to announce we GDG having some six kinds of clubs. So these clubs will be taking you with the paths of full stack, then Android, then after cloud, after that graphics and game designing, which associated with UI and UX. Then also we'll be having a separate club for cyber security. Then lastly, we are having a club for artificial intelligence and machine learning. So these are the six clubs we will be focusing on. And I guess won't force you to join this and so more. So you guys just try what are the things in this field and choose your correct path by the as your first year means try to choose you have some time, but you are in second year means I think you must be st- getting some in a faster way. We will be directly assisting you based on your interest, and I would like our technical team lead to continue about the club details and so yeah, Hemant Kumar, you can continue.
Harish, I would like you to create awareness about this internship. Then we can
Yeah, Hemant,
explain about the
we can go.
clubs.
We can go, but
And
it's necessary to start with clubs. Then we will be planning.
yeah, okay. So guys, we have 6 clubs in our DDC. One is AAML Club, App Development Club, Cloud Computing, Ethical Hacking, Cyber Security, and UI UX, which combination of graphics and game design. And finally, we have one more club called
Full stack. Full stack.
Full Stack Club. Yeah. So, yeah, wait, guys, I have small disturbance here.
Bro, I have a doubt.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Bro, if
Yeah,
I
you can.
want to create a website for my project, bro,
Okay.
then how should I create a link for my project?
Mm, so, your Tilagan, this is a nice question as you have choosing a path on web, right?
Yeah, bro. If I want to do some internship, means I want to create a link for. So I asked that question, bro.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You will be hosting your projects. Yeah, you will be hosting your projects on some domains like some of the domains may be costlier, like GoDaddy or some web hosting platforms. But we having some other methods we will be teaching you with. It's slightly related with pages. Okay, slightly related with pages and as per the clients sending some see GitHub pages, and also we will be having Netlify, and there is a platform with Google named as Cloudflare. You can host in Cloudflare, and we will be teaching you in short way. But yeah, we must need to host when we want to publish our project on our what in if you are creating a resume means you must need to publish, and you must give a link, direct link with your resume. Okay, I think you will
Okay,
be
bro.
answered this question. Yeah.
Somewhat
So
I understand, bro, but I want.
yeah, yeah, yeah. We will be giving you in personally. Okay, we will be giving you
Okay,
in
bro. Sure.
personally. If you want to learn the same things, you can join the clubs like web full stack, and also you can join app because app will be also having some certain publishing platforms like Google Play Store, App Store, and so more. Okay, it's a nice question because it will be also helping you to present your projects properly in your uh, resumes. And also, I would like to say the clubs. As Hemant who are having some connectivity issues, I will be gonna take care of it. And there are 6 clubs as we mentioned. If you want to participate in the club means it's nothing but just join the community, then enroll in any of the 2 clubs, because you need to get idea of at least 2 current trends which is going today. So in this each clubs we will be having following some pathway or some roadways. Shortly everything will be dealt with in a easy way as you are in a second year.
Yeah, sorry for the disturbance.
Yeah,
Some
Hemant, he is back, and let me give my session hand over to him. Yeah, Hemant Kumar, you can continue. Yeah,
yeah, okay, guys. I have said that there is some clubs in our GDG. Okay, first I would like to start with AML club. Actually, many of you people are aware about the AML, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Uh, it's actually two different subjects. Like if you take the AI means AML means artificial intelligence is a separate subject and ML machine learning is a specific
லைன்ல போயிட்டு
subject.
இருக்கோமா
So
பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ்
in
வீடியோ
combination of
பிரச்சனை.
both of these, we can have
சார்ஜ்
product.
போட்டிருந்தோம்னா ஜிபிஓ
Like
வாங்கலாம்.
mm,
அப்படியா?
if you are taking
இல்ல இல்ல இல்ல
some
இப்போதைக்கு பிரச்சனை இல்ல.
pixels. Like many
அவன்
of you know about
சல்லுன்னு
the
இறங்குவானே.
pixel, right?
ஃபோன் சார்ஜ் இருக்கா போதுமா?
ஃபோன் அது 18 ஹாட்ஸ்பாட் அதுல
Yeah.
இருந்து.
If you're taking a
பாத்துக்கலாம்,
example,
பாத்துக்கலாம்.
consisting of many of
ஃபாஸ்ட் சார்ஜிங் தானே கேக்குறேன்.
data, like plenty of data, which could be in any, like it may be an alphabetical number or any specific, which is a group of, it's a bunch of data. If we need to process everything and we need to do everything in Excel itself, means it takes a lot of time and you need to learn a lot of
சார்ஜ்
formulas.
என்ன சொல்லுங்க.
ஆ
So that's why
கண்ணு மட்டும் காட்டுங்க போய்.
சரி bro.
but ML,
Thank you.
ML,
இல்ல ஓகே கேக்குது.
ஓ அப்படியா?
it's not only applicable for this Excel sheets. If
you,
there is
thank
a
you.
bunch of models, like if I'm taking plant species models, like otherwise animal species models. Okay, I will explain you in simple way. If you take a cow, like you all familiar with cow, right? Milk, right? Will produce milk, right? So if you take that cow itself, means there will be many species of cows, right? Some may have some may call Jersey, some may call normal. I don't much know about this, but I'm telling that the different types. Okay, so these are the species. So they are classified into specific species. By seeing itself, we need to find means it's actually, if you have a bunch of data and you need to go through everything and you need to know about all the stuffs and all the types of it. But by using this AML, like machine learning, you can easily recognize by clicking one picture, and if you send to that project, means you can have exact species, exact what the species belongs to. Yeah, that's why this machine learning works. Okay, by using this machine learning, we can also classify lots of data. Like it's a huge platform where you can have all the plenty data classification. Like from the AML, we can have data science, data analytics, and other things. So if you learn AML, like if you choose the AML as your career, means you can go with data analytics. Like for data analytics, there are many tools. First of all, for AML, I can tell you some tools like Google Colab. How many Colab? Right? Nobody know about it. So okay, it's a platform where you can do your machine learning and everything. Uh, like it's just a platform which is used to build for low hand dishes, and the people who are lack of installing modules and stuff and all. So by using Google Colab, you can access RAM up to 16, 24, 16. It's a maximum up to 16, and you can use GPU, like GPU and CPU. There is a huge difference. GPU is mainly used to classify the high-level models, like large models of data. Okay, it's one of the tools, Google Colab, and otherwise we have many cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud itself, Google Cloud Console, and NVIDIA. And like many of you know about NVIDIA, the gaming platform. Recently, they have developed 5090 graphics card. So they have their own cloud, and they will be using same the machine learning. Uh, by using that, we can optimize. Yeah, we can optimize and get our solution. Like here we have someone is presenting. Harish is presenting that AML code. Okay. So from our AML, like who is Pradeep Kalyan and Sanjana from third year. So this is a pathway for AML. Like you need to have deep learning and predictive analysis. And if you take the natural language, these are the parts of this AI only. But if you go to ML in the way means you need to have only two things like deep learning and analysis. There is some more things also there, but we have discussed it in the last. So by choosing this career, we can have. Okay, let me tell you what is the future and present aspects of an average AML engineer. Okay. So average AML engineer can get per annum as a 24 LPA for present state, but in future, if you become an AML engineer, means you can have to 68 LPA. It depends on your learning only, because AML is a huge platform where you need to know about machine learning and natural language processing and speech export systems, planning and scheduling, robotics and vision. Like there is some more other things also there in machine learning, which will help you to become a better AML engineer. Yeah, this is all about AML, and I would like to go with full stack development, our next step. Okay, full stack development is full stack development is not just a thing. It's divided into three types, like front end development, back end development, and there is more classification inside the full stack development itself, because there is a MERN stack, there is Maven stack. Like Harish, can you present that PPT for types of full stack? Yeah, okay. Yeah, guys, everyone have able to view the screen, right? Yeah, okay. Please, okay, this full stack development is divided into these phases, like front end development, back end development, database, DevOps, and mobile app development. This mobile app development is recent innovation. Like we can go with it, and mobile app development club. Okay, before that we have come to this front end and back end development. So front end development can be done by HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay. Let me tell you in short way. If you are visiting our college website in the sense, means, you can see our college logo, our college names, and everything. Like additional information about placements, opportunities, and some other stuff. Okay, that is called front end. So you are seeing that just an information which is in front of your eyes is called the front end. The back end here means we can use the front end is otherwise developed by then React.js. Okay, so here the thing is not in the list. Okay, so I would like to go with back end. So back end is an development by using many things like PHP, Python, and Node.js. We have some more platforms like Django for choose applications. So here's a PHP used for this forms like you have already filling that key forms, right? In website we need to fill the details and we submit it, means it will go to that database, specific database. For Python we can have backend development like if you are like I will tell you like example, if you are using Instagram means you are giving follow to someone like your friend is there but you didn't follow him. If you follow him means it will go to, if the follow request wants go to Django and Flask. Yeah, that's why we are using Python, bro. Yeah, this is support. Yeah, guys. So if you clicking that Instagram, your friend follow means it will go to the request once request is reaching to the your HTTP server, and it can be it can be go with TCP/IP protocol by using many other protocols, and it will go back to your friend and reach that specific IP address, and then it will show some request. So these all things we are seeing, all these things are visible to us. That's somebody answer. Otherwise, you can text and install messages. I'm asking that all these things are, yeah, Anand. Yeah, okay. These all things are not visible to our eyes, right? So they will work at the back end. They will only show the output of the result that is displayed on our front end, right? So this is what the difference between this back end and front end. Next we come to the database. So database, there is an many types like Vue.js, like Vue,
Um, uh,
MySQL, Post. Yeah, Harish.
yeah, bro. Yeah. Continue. Sorry.
Yes, sorry guys. I have a small internet issue.
So, hello guys. In meantime, I just give you the glances of the database. Database is nothing but storage spaces of the things of which is focused on the front end and back end. So the front end and back end are the tools which front end is a platform where you're gonna get the information, and back end is just making the platform, getting the information and sending to the database. Okay. So this is the part of backend. Backend is nothing but a action or a function. Okay. Front end is nothing about just a uh, UI or a view for yourself, because backend be seen this is all everything as actions and functions, and database is nothing about, it's like a storage space, and DevOps is slightly related with cloud. So at this DevOps part, we will be merging with the cloud computing club, and we will be having in with Android development merging with clubs, and sometimes we will not be merging with clubs with the cloud computing fields, and we will be telling full stack is a vast platform where it's not limited with just front end and back end. It's have still deeper and deeper in the full stack. And I would also say that artificial intelligence and machine learning is also not a single easy pathway, but we will be having some branches and branches and branches and more. So we are focusing you to focus on some specific pathways, so that you can learn that full pathway when you are at the time of your placements or your job opportunities. And I would like to give the stage to Hemant Kumar as he is back again. Yeah, Hemant, you can
Yeah,
take
like,
from
yeah,
Next Club. Yeah.
next club. Yeah.
Yes.
Like in either that database storage only guys, but in this database also there is a specific types like a relational database, NoSQL, graphs, and message queues likewise. Okay, it goes like types of SQL like MySQL, PostgreSQL. When it comes to database developer, there will be many ways. Okay. Then when it comes to DevOps, as he said that he is combined with the cloud, like AWS cloud, Azure, NG, INX, which was I said that NVIDIA cloud. So there's automation and virtualization. In virtualization, we use Docker, Kubernetes, and VMware. You can learn more detail about in our upcoming events, guys, about this. So next types of full stack is like mean stack, non stack, lamb stack, jam stack, and Ruby and Rails stacks. Okay, so these all have specific meanings like they're using, yeah, Harish.
Yeah, Hemant, you are still going deeper, but we will be starting from the basics only, and we will be teaching whether if you, as this meeting will has consist of different kinds of uh, members with different clubs, and we will be teaching you these all the things as Hemant said. Uh, just give some basic intros, Hemant. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, okay, Harish. Sure. So this is all about this guys, and I will like to say about this aspect. Like in present aspects, we have full stack developer. Average full stack developer salary is about 48 LPA. 48? No, actually it's about 56 LPA. But in future, it may be developed because even though many A's have come, many of them have fear about this AI, but don't worry, calculator cannot replace a human. Okay, so no need to fear about this AI is about when it comes to that our jobs. Okay, guys. So then I would like to go with the graphics and game design. So how many of you in the meet are like gamers? Just quick quick reaction, guys. Yeah, super. Yeah, uh, yeah, myself and my friend Harish also as a gamer. So, gaming and graphics is not just about the playing the game. There is a development also. Guys, when it comes to the gaming, means you can have develop it in like many tools like Unity, Unreal Engine, and Epic. Yeah, some other platforms. Unity and Unreal Engine is one of the most world topmost platforms where you can create your games. Okay, guys. When average game developers, it's not we can mention it in an LPA because it's based on the game developer game reach. The the salary will be there. Okay, guys. Then by choosing this game developer as a way, you can learn, you can enjoy a lot of things like a practical way. There is many simulations and modelings in while developing a game. You can experience a lot of things. So this is a basic session. I would like to conclude this part with this much about information. So then we can have graphics. Uh, it is also comes under these things only, like Unreal Engine and Unity, guys, where we can use to create some graphics. editing animation, and we can also use some more platforms like Adobe XD. So to create our animation and the graphics can be created by two different ways, by the graphics itself and otherwise the editing. So when it comes to these kind of things means by which way you can have potential to create the graphics where you are. So then I would like to start with UI UX. These all in the same club, guys. Be aware of it. Okay. UI UX. The First of all, I would like to tell you that UI is user experience. Sorry. UX means user experience and UI means user interface. Okay. So these UI UX can be developed by many platforms like
Green
Figma,
color. யாரோட
Adobe XD, and PhotoWall, and some other platforms. So let me tell you a small example for this UI UX designing. I think many of you people know about this Instagram logo, right?
ரைட் மேல இல்லையா
All other like many applications have their logos, right? By the creation of logos and some other brand templates is called this UI UX designing.
ஆமாமா ஆமா
Guys, are you clear with
Yeah,
this?
bro. Okay, bro. But I have a doubt, bro.
Yeah, you can ask me.
Bro, can we create graphics by using HTML?
Actually, HTML is not. We can create, but we can give style to that page by using the CSS. Like you can use that in CSS. You can give your own style to design your page.
Okay, bro. Okay, bro.
பார்த்து சொல்ல டைம் இருக்கு
So this is all about this UI UX, and also UI UX is not just end with creating brand templates and logos. Um, yeah, Bootstrap is also another platform where you can create animation for your web, bro. Yuvathilagan, bro.
Okay, bro. Is
Yeah,
this a app or like a coding app, sir?
no, these all are like files. So if you are taking
File.
CSS, yeah, CSS is a file. Like HTML means HTML is a file, right?
Like Bootstrap.
Yeah,
Okay, bro. Okay, bro. I understand now.
yeah. Okay, thank you, bro. So an
Thank you.
average salary of an UI UX designer is 12 LPA, but it will be increased soon in future because a well-known UI UX designer can up to have 102 LPA in future because the prediction shows that 102 LPA for a good UI UX designer. It's just about seeing that unique things. When you create a unique design, and then you will become an you get lot of salary for this. Okay, then I would like to start with ethical hacking and cybersecurity, guys. And I would like uh, Prahil to explain about this because he is an ethical hacker and cybersecurity expert from our club. So whether he will explain you about a great way. You can get a better understanding about it. Prahil, bro, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here, guys.
Yeah, you can explain them about with the examples like those cybersecurity attacks like ransomware and so on, DDoS, likewise.
Well, okay. Hey, hello, guys. So, hope my voice is audible.
Yeah,
If my voice is audible, give some thumbs up, something.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
Audible.
okay. Anand have raised the hand. May I know why? Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, now, okay, let's begin our session. Hope you have understood what are the things Hemant and other people have told. Hope the session is going interesting. So I'm here. I'm myself Prahil. I'm going to take and explain about the topics related to cybersecurity in this club. So, in this modern world, the term cybersecurity is a very important term. As every day new technologies emerges, we need to have a strong security, which will help us to protect us and our family and organization from the internet and from the bad people. So, in this session, we will be going through like what are the why we need cybersecurity and what are the some attacks which are out in the internet, which is popular among people, and why cybersecurity is needed, and how to protect ourselves. Okay, so these are the things we are going to talk about in this session. So first of all, we are going to talk about like what is cybersecurity. Okay, in this modern world, everyone are connected through an ecosystem, internet. So in this internet world, we all need to be secure enough because not everyone we see isn't good people. So we need to have an secure environment which will help us to be safe. As nowadays the amount of scams and the misuse of internet have been rapidly increased, we need to save ourselves from the internet. Okay, this internet gives us like an positive way as well as there is an negative way. Internet also gives us global connectivity. This global connectivity like helps us to develop as well as degrade. Okay, so how we be safe in this internet is a very important. Okay, so as the innovation in these technologies increases, we need to bring the concept of security into all domains, whatever the things we create. Okay, even in small application we build also needs some small amount of security. Hope you guys understand. If you guys able to understand, can you give a thumbs up, guys? Guys, anybody there?
Yeah, Brian.
போமா இது
Okay.
போய் இது மட்டும் பண்ணிட்டு
Okay, guys.
ரைஸ் பாத்துக்கீங்க நான்
Okay.
போய் வாங்கிட்டு வரேன்
So
ரைஸ்
let's talk about some of the threats which are popular among people. Okay. First of all, nowadays most of the people came into cybersecurity because of movies and other stuff. Okay, as movies show how the ethical hackers are some big guys and with an visuals that take our interest. Okay, so the first attack we are going to discuss is ransomware attack. Okay, ransomware attack is nothing but like asking money by having something on our hand. We can simply explain like we own something. Okay, and the hacker will try to gain access to that particular thing, and they will be able to log that particular thing, and they will call us and like threaten us, like give us the ransom amount or the data or the amount, the important data will get erased. Let's consider an example like in multi-specialty hospital. They will be having tons of medical data which need to be kept secure. When an attacker tries to gain access to that stuff and he locks that stuff, that is a very big threat because leakage. Because in an hospital, all the everything will be interconnected. So gaining access to that type of thing is will be result in a catastrophic phenomenon. Okay. This is an example of and the next attack we are going to talk about is like phishing scams. Phishing scams are nowadays these types of attacks have been seen every. We have we the scams through messages as well as emails and rapidly increase. Phishing scams are nothing but people used to send those like, links to people, and they will asking them to click on it. Through that way, they will be able to gain access to their victim's mission, and especially the data like passwords and credit need to be kept safe and should not be on a mobile openly. Phishing scams will be easily will allow hackers to easily gain access to this stuff. Okay. Next one we can talk about data breaches. Okay. Now the above two things will be only focusing on a particular organization or a company. Okay. This data breach comes on a very big multinational organization. Let's consider we have Amazon. Okay. If an hacker able to penetrate into Amazon and gain access to their user data and able to steal all those data, and they can able to sell on the dark web. Okay, this is known as data breach. They steal the data and sell it on the dark web. This will lead to lot of identity theft and financial losses to the particular organization. And the next thing we can talk about is IoT vulnerabilities. Nowadays, the use of IoT devices have been rapidly increased, and lot of emerging technologies uses IoT types of devices. So, IoT types of devices mostly include sensors and other environment detecting machines. These sensors and other machineries should be kept safe from people who don't have any knowledge about it. Because let's consider an example in the when we have a machinery with a sensor which is used in an hospital. If an hacker able to gain access to that particular sensor and able to manipulate that information comes from the sensor, it will be like a loss of one person. Okay. If the data from the sensor is manipulated, the doctor may diagnose wrongly, and he may be giving the wrong medicine, which may end up in the loss of life. Okay. So IoT devices always must be kept safe from hackers. And the next thing is AI powered threats. As nowadays the use of AI and other machine learning models have been rapidly increased in all fields. Cyber security and in ethical hacking, also many AIs and many different types of models have been developed. These models have both positive and negative sides. Nowadays we have deepfake AI, which is a very serious threat, as one can pretend as someone else and can steal others' information, and or can able to like cheat on others, or one can pretend like someone else and misuse their name or misuse their identity. Okay, these types of threats are also increased. So tends to improve as well as like degrade us. Okay, so we need to have clear understanding how all these things works. We have seen some of the types of attacks, and it's about like how we can protect hackers. Okay, so the first and foremost thing I would recommend all users to have like in strong passwords, not to have a common password all the devices or all the applications you have. Because if one hacker is able to find one of your passwords, then if you have a common password to all, it will be a catastrophic thing, as he will gain access to all the things. So I recommend you people to have a strong password for individually to all the applications you have. And I will ask you people to have like enable the multi-factor authentication, which is a security feature which is free of cost. You can turn it off anytime. You can have this multi-factor authentication on always, which will help your email or number to be safe from hackers and prevent other peoples to gain access to your account or something, even though they have the password. if you have multi-factor authentication on. So I recommend you guys to turn on your multi-factor authentication. It is a good thing. Can you guys able to understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. The next thing is like software updates. Sorry. Okay. So the next thing is software update. Okay. How many of you guys update your? Can I recommend or can I get a thumbs up? It's a good thing. Okay. So always having a very highly recommended thing. As nowadays the number of updates have been increased. The companies that they gave the companies that provide the software checks every day like how an attacker gain access to one particular system. They will think in that perspective and find many different types of vulnerabilities every single day. All these vulnerabilities get solved, and that solution is sent to you through those updates. Okay. So even though your phone gets a minor 100 or 10 MB update, it will be always a security patch. Always having your systems up to date is highly recommended. That will prevent like that that types of attacks to be present in your device. The next thing is be cautious on online. Today, in this modern world, most of us are always being in this on the internet thing. We need to be very careful on what we are doing. Okay, simply clicking on an bad or an unknown link or an image or an APK file, which may lead to a big data loss or even or your loss in identity or your financial loss. Any types of loss it may be able can lead. So always be careful on what you guys download from the internet. Nowadays, a lot of people are downloading movies from internet. Well, it is not a safe thing as these websites contains like APKs and lot of advertisements. These advertisements are from the third party people. These people mostly use these types of websites to gain like lot of data about people. Like as most of them as people today don't like to invest like money to watch movies. They are mostly likely to watch those movies like free. So these websites contains lot of advertisements are mostly clickbait stuff. Hope you guys know what is clickbait. If yes, put a thumbs up, guys. You guys know what is clickbait?
No, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me explain in simple words. Clickbait is nothing but like showing you and stuff, and when you click on it, sorry. So they will show you one thing, and when you click on it, and different thing are and different type of application installed on your system. Okay, that is known as clickbait. So these types will be mostly on the internet. Nowadays we have YouTube and Instagram reels, right? When you check on these videos, they will be having different thumbnail to what the video is about. That is known as clickbait. Okay, they will just make you curious. Like when you see that thumbnail, you will be very curious to click on that. But actually, the video is not about that particular thumbnail, which is known as clickbait. Okay, so be always. And the next thing is backup your data. It is always recommended to have a backup copy of your data. Okay, so even though if an cyber attack or if your system and having a backup data is highly recommended. We common people won't be getting hackers always, but now we are an adult. Okay, we will be getting into many friends and many different companies. So our resume and our data will. So you people have like access to internet and have some knowledge about cybersecurity and internet vulnerabilities. So you people can address them. or you don't need to. I'm not saying you guys to go to all shops and address them. I'm just saying, like, to your neighbors, you can just simply give them a simple awareness, like, do not click on those things. Okay. And the next thing is, like, use tools to invest in cybersecurity tools. Okay. All If you are building an organization or a company, I would recommend you people to always invest on security. If you are building a very big organization, uh, it is necessary to have a well established firewalls and security systems. This will increase the user satisfaction as their data is being safe. Okay. Okay. And the next thing is, like, we have discussed, like, some of the threats, and we have discussed, like, how we can protect ourselves. And the national cybersecurity, like, call toll free number is 1930. Okay. If any of your neighbors or you people encounter an situation where hackers threatens you or any cyber issues, you can report on this number. Okay, 1930. This is the National Cybersecurity Helpline, where whatever the complaints filed on it, everything can be rectified within 24 hours. So that's all, guys. I would like to wrap up the session. I don't take much of your time.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you have
Thank
any questions?
you have given a detailed explanation about this ethical hacking and cybersecurity, and as well as you have given a detailed explanation about what is the difference between cybersecurity and ethical hacking, and many of those attacks and cyber crimes and all. Guys, do you have any doubt with them?
Well, one more thing. I think I didn't give the explanation, like, difference between ethical hacking and cybersecurity, right? Uh,
You have
I
given
think so.
it
I didn't give.
in that example itself. So,
Okay. Hope everyone have understood it.
Yeah, guys. Let me need to
Yeah.
tell a point. Uh, he's a lead of cybersecurity and ethical hacking club, and if you guys are willing to be part of the programs like cybersecurity awareness and to make your career in the path of cybersecurity, you please join in his club. And this club is he has immense experience, and he is gonna take his career through this cybersecurity pathway. So I would like you to join your career too in the path of, yeah. Thank you, guys. And let me give
yeah,
the stage to the Hemant Kumar once again. Yeah.
yeah. Okay, guys, we can continue with next club as an app development club. Okay, so in this app development club, we have three different subdivisions, like for an Android, iOS, and cross platforms. Okay, for Android, we have a application called Kotlin. In Android Studio, we can use Kotlin language to develop an application for Android application. Then we have Java and SDK. Like SDK is it's kind of setting file path and installing modules. It's a huge process, but when it comes to the application app development, you can come to learn about all these stuff. But for iOS, we have Objective C, which is one of the old language which was first developed. I mean, the iOS was first developed with this using the Objective C. Then later they can have the language called Shift. And now the recent trends, like before 2 years, they have invented Dot, which is a language which can both support for Android as well as iOS. And it is also mostly applicable for this desktop application. For cross-platform, we have React Native, I, Ionic, PWA, and Xamarin. And there is some more application called Unity. It is also an app development. It is a cross platform application building. Applic- uh, it's also other application to build this mobile application as well as the desktop application. So here is the difference. For Android, we have using these three like Kotlin, Java, and some SDK. The Dart is for common for both iOS and Android. For iOS, we have Objective C and Shift. Yeah, this is all about this Android app development, and there is some more application called Flutter. Flutter, which can be used to develop application as well as UI designing. Flutter can be also useful for UI designing. And this is all about app development, guys. And next, I would like to start with the cloud computing, and which is one of my favorite domain. And yeah, I would like to start with the cloud computing. Just I will give you some basics cloud functions. Uh, first there is in compute service like in cloud when it comes to cloud it comes to compute service as a first priority. Okay, in compute service we have compute engines like virtual machines running on Google data centers. Like if we take any other cloud centers also means the virtual machines will be there, and Kubernetes engines for managing the Kubernetes for customized applications. Then app engine, then cloud function, then the cloud run. So it will comes in the priority wise. In the main topic itself, there is a subtopic like there is a path for learning this cloud computing. So next we are going to look at storage and database. So cloud is most famous for this storage and database only. Then only the remaining steps like platforms as a service and infrastructure as service likewise. So it is first and foremost famous for storage and database. So in storage and database, cloud storage and file store, cloud SQL, cloud spanner, Firestore, big table, persistent disks. So these are stuffs have different meanings. Since it is an introduced session, so I would like to just tell you the things, just small steps. Cloud storage like a scalable object storage, and file store is used to manage the files. In Cloud SQL, we can use the different SQL to perform our database like operations. Firestore, we have used a NoSQL document database. So next, we are going with networking. Networking, it is a third level priority in cloud services. In networking, we have virtual private cloud (VPC) cloud and cloud load balancing. So when you when it comes to the cloud computing, there is a task after the introductory session, the network is a second foremost topic where you can learn about this all this stuff like VPC cloud, cloud load balancing, and cloud interconnect, cloud DNS, like domain namespace, likewise. So this networking have high performance domain name system as well as it is scalable and more reliable. Then we have fourth most priority as an AI and machine learning. Where when it comes to AI and machine learning, when it comes to Vertex AI and AI APIs and AutoML. In Vertex AI, we can use a unified platform building and manufacturing the ML models. And AI APIs, we can use API keys to which can be used for many purposes like speech, vision, translation, natural language processing, likewise, etc. In AutoML, we have custom ML model development with minimal expected requirements. Like if you have a huge number of data, means it will be converted into a small data like AutoML. the machine learning itself will be very much faster. Then big data and analytics, we have BigQuery, Dataflow, PubSub, and Dataproc and Looker. So these are the last Dataproc and Looker is the latest trend in the cloud services which were recently developed and introduced before 2 years. So in BigQuery, we can have serverless and high scalable data warehouse. Like there will be, we can store much more data. Like Dataflow, in Dataflow we have stream and batch data processing. In PubSub, we have real-time messaging and event driving systems. So in Looker, we can have business intelligence and data visualization tools, where it can be applied also in the data analytics. Like while using your Power BI, Microsoft Power BI, we can use this tool to visualize your uh, your data. The developer tools. It is the sixth most priority in our cloud computing. The cloud built artifact registry, cloud code, cloud deployment manager. So this is a core concept. So I would like to just tell you the stuff inside the developer tools. In security, we have IAM management. It's actually identity and access management. So it gives an fine access controls. And then Cloud Armor, Cloud Security Command Center, Key Management System, like it is shortly said as KMS, and confidential computing. This confidential computing is used to secure our data and confidential virtual machines. In identity and access management, it gives an access controls. In Cloud Armor, protecting against DDoS attacks. In Cloud Security Command Center, we have security posture management. And for eighth most priority is management and monitoring, like in cloud logging, cloud monitoring, cloud trace, and cloud profiling. Like in these things, it is also core concept, where when it comes to the monitoring of cloud, any cloud, it can be any platform of cloud. So then hybrid and multi computing is the ninth most priority, where here we have an Anthos AMTS services, which is a platform where users manage the workloads across the two premises of data, and we can collaborate by using this Anthos to two clouds. Like it can be defined as in the term as hybrid cloud. Then tenth thing is Internet of Things, Cloud IoT Core. Like manage, it is used to connecting and IoT services. Like there will be an IoT device which is directly connected into cloud and it will be managed. Then the migration and transfers. In migration and transfers, VM plays a virtual role, like a vital role. And migration of in these topics we have migration of cloud engine, storage transfer service, transfer applications, which is used to connect the physical device into the cloud. Then identity and access, we have cloud identity and beyond cross. So it is the 12th most priority, and this is all about this intermediate cloud computing. When it comes to expert level and pro level, we have some more topics, but intermediate cloud computing itself enough to build our career with cloud. So this is all about this our clubs, guys, and I would like to give upon stage to Harish to explain you about all other stuffs.
Yeah, Hemant, thank you for providing me the stage. And as Hemant has been explained you right away about the cloud in a deep perspective, I hope you all have take some running notes or just have an idea. But we will be starting from the scratch. Okay, don't take to have any fear and all in the cloud computing club, but we will be starting from the scratch. Okay. uh, and Hemant is will be taking you the in a easy way, and there is a another club lead for the same cloud computing is Anushya V is also there. She is a cloud expert. Nearly she have experience with one year of experience with the Google Cloud Services, and she is also experienced with other platforms like Microsoft Azure and other things like AWS. And cloud is a what kind of major platform which is in a current trend too, and he will be explaining you the things in your club about how much is the average salary of the cloud computing expert is earning. He will be explaining you in directly in your club. Then as this event is nearly reaching the time, we will be focusing on the next part. Okay, now you have got different perspective of different clubs, different perspective of different clubs on it. Sorry guys. Okay, now you have got different perspective of different clubs. Now this is the time you need to know how to get your next steps after getting your choosing your career path. As I have said you before, make sure to have a what uh, planning, learning with the uh, excuse me, planning and learning with the project and kind of environment. So you need to be part in taking internships and so more. So I would like you to share with the presentation. Just a minute, guys. So I hope my screen is visible to you all right.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, thank you for the confirmation, Hemant. So in this part of session, you are gonna navigate how to get into internship effectively, and internships are a critical part of our academic and professional journey. So in India, internship have gained momentum over the last decade, with many of the companies and startups are mainly focusing the students to provide you opportunities like giving internship and show more. So this session will be guiding you with planning for internship and some avoiding some scams, which is currently in the trend of the after the coronas. We will be explaining you internship scams, and by the end you will be getting a roadmap for a successful internship journey. Next slide. Yeah. So navigating internship effectively. So let's start by outlining uh, why internships are crucial, especially in Indian job market, and how to strategically plan and land the right internship. Okay, and I also want to mention you that identifying and avoiding scams, which are unfortunately common in India too. So I will also give you two tips to maximize your learning and build a strong career foundation. Let's get started with the basics. Okay. So why internships are essential for career growth? Internship act as a bridge between theory and practice. In India, internships are particularly important because they provide exposure to real world challenges of industries like IT, healthcare, manufacturing, and startups. Employers value practical experience, and many hiring managers in India prioritize candidates with internship experience and make sure you must have at least 2 years of experience with their internship when you are being entering into a companies like Accenture or yeah, huge MNCs. And for Google, if you want to be part of their team, they need at least 7 years of work, work on it. they need 7 years of experience. Okay, so you must think how internship plays a crucial role here. And I would like to say a survey by AICTE revealed that students who have interned were 35% more likely to get job offers. So you must be doing internship, because you make sure the AICTE is nothing about, they are a group of technical education of India. Okay, they have done survey and they have 35%. And internships are not just about adding a line to your resume. Okay, they are about building your skill set and your confidence. Okay. Then we must have a strategic planning for internship. For example, I will give you an example with it. But in before, planning is the key to landing the right internship. Here is how you to do it. Okay. Uh, First, you need to understand your goals. Are you exploring fields or building expertise in one? Like choosing your tech path. As Hemant have explained in these times, he has explained different types of pathways. You must need to understand your own goals. Okay. If you are in tech, internship in startups can offer diverse exposure. Okay. If you are in a tech, and if you aim in for an MNC, look for structured internship like those who have offered from TCS or Infosys or Wipro. You must be make sure this clearly. And how to build your profile. Platforms like LinkedIn, then Internshala are major platforms which is focused on building your profile. Then we will be having a uh, networking communities like GDG, or we can say women tech makers. And similarly, there are many tech communities where you need to network and reach some get ideas to make your pathway to plan your internships. Then so basically, in internship have some application timelines. Mainly, they will be starting from July to August. That's nothing about. It's a spring time, and September to November is for apply yearly, as many top companies close application by this period. And December, they use semester breaks to prepare for interviews and assessments. By the January and March, they will be starting their internship journey for their company. Okay. And also, I would like to say some government internship like ISRO or DRDO have been giving some cool internship. You must be checking through the websites properly. But VGDG is checking for you, and we will be posting you through the community WhatsApp groups. And next is essential tips for internship applications. Applying for internship requires effort and precision. As Indian context, I will be saying that LinkedIn is a better platform, and in India, Internshala is a platform where they have been providing some internships. But I would like to say a point in Internshala. There is a problem which I have been faced personally. I have applied nearly one or two or three, but no responses will be coming. If you apply more than 100 plus internship, means there is a possibility to come at least any one or two chances. This is a point which I have been got from an expert, and he got placed get an internship from Internshala. So we will be helping you with that. And also, I would like you to always follow up after applying, and persistence often pays off. Okay, make sure this point, always follow up after applying, and persistent often pays off. Then recognizing internship scams effectively are on the rise. Common tactics include pay to intern schemes. Fake companies are asking for a training fee. No internship company will be asking any kind of training fees like pay 100 or pay 200 you the technical stuff. No companies will be asking pay to intern schemes. Then fake job portals, website that collect personal data but offer no real opportunities. For example, I can say I have uh, I will be giving you the name of the fake job portal, but not in this meet. I will be sending you through the WhatsApp. And too good to be true offers promising high stipends with minimal work. For doing a what content writing, they will be providing you more than $1,600 per hour. Then it's directly a scam. You must need to understand always verified company credential. Use tools like MCA portal to check whether company's legal status or not. Then, steps to avoid internship scams. I would like to say protect yourself from scams with these steps. Verify for the opportunities like the platform in the Glassdoor or LinkedIn. Then ask for written agreements. Okay, written agreements will be major things like not like an offer letter which is generated by a computer system. Okay, it's like a thing which will be coming directly to your home, like in in a postal services and all. By then I will be also making you sure with consult with alumni or mentors, because if our fourth year final year has been placed, you can just ask them to have some getting internship from them, because they have been placed and they are working there. They can allocate some students with some good coding skills, means they will be referring you for the internship roles. So always consult alumni and mentors. So here is where the networking plays a major role. And never share sensitive information like bank account details unless you are certain of the company's authenticity. And this is the main point. Some of the companies may ask directly your bank account and other details, like tell your IFSC code. We are gonna put you directly a huge amount, but you need to pay 1 lakh before it, because this opportunity is hold for only 2 hours. The first come will be first pay served. Just send us, we will be helping you with these kinds of scams. If it is scam, we will be telling you this is a scam. Okay. uh, as as Hemant and I and other GDG members have been faced many kinds of scam in these days. uh, if you have faced any scams like this, you just address us. We will be taking care of it, and we will be reporting it to the Cyber Security Commission at Tamil Nadu government, or in a central. Then I would like to go on with the case study and the fake internship offer letters. Like the students, they are asking, requesting for 2,000 rupees for the training materials, and communication was done through WhatsApp, or not. They will be communicating only with the WhatsApp. They will not share any official email IDs, not an official website, or so more. These are the things we must be careful with this red flag. And I want to say these are the red flags. You must always take care of it and make sure. Some students have uh, been caught in a before years. In our year itself, nearly more than 25,000 rupees have been scammed. I don't know about the correct amount, but scammed. uh, Make sure you won't uh, என்ன சொல்றது, you won't follow the same things and all. Okay, because we are here, you to bring you the what prevention from the scams. And make sure you must want to create awareness among your friends and families, like these are the awareness, these are the things which is uh, playing in a technical field. And next I go on with uh, maximizing your internship experience. Okay, once you secure an internship, focus on gaining as much as possible. Okay, the company have certain goals for their internship roles. For example, if a company is providing you with some design tools, means you just want to learn the design tools. In the meantime, you get the offer letter as you get an internship, right? So you must need to prepare how the company is gonna using the tools, and this must be done in a simultaneous way. Then document your work, then build relationship among the team members or the team lead, because you need to create a good environment at your company for your uh, personal social environment. Okay, because the companies may have different social environment, and this will be creating sometimes what stress and all. If you create a good environment in a working area, it will be helpful in at your last. Okay, then seek feedbacks. This helps you grow and adapt to the workplace. Okay, internships with organization like Tata Steel, Infosys, Zomato can provide unique insights into India's diverse industries. Okay, the effort you put into your internship defines the value you derive from it. Okay, how much effort you are going to put in your internship will be defining your value from derived from it. Then I'm gonna with uh, open floor for questions and wrap up. And we have covered the journey from planning your internship to making the most of it, right? So, do you have any questions about applying for internship, avoiding scams, or specific industries in India? You are feel free to share your own experience or concern. Let's discuss and learn together. If you have, can talk right now. Yeah, guys. Guys, if you have any doubts, you can. Yeah, okay. So I will be catch upping with these points later. Then I'm gonna go with. So as we gonna conclude this path, internships can be got through two main ways. One is DSA and with an aptitude skill. So I would like to say the aptitude skill will be coming first, and the DSA is the second thing where the company is focusing on. So this session will be led by the Pradeep Kalyan right now. And in before that, I would like to give a small point as we conclude. Internship or your gateway to a successful career. Okay. Plan meticulously, stay vigilant, and seize every opportunity. Okay. India's growing industry from startups to establish giant demand scope for learning. So thank you, and I hope inspired to take the next step in your career journey. Thank you, guys. Let me give the stage to Pradeep Kalyan. Pradeep Kalyan, you can.
Yeah. Hey guys. Hope I'm audible, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Others. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, Harish, can you stop your presentation?
Yeah. 1 minute. Just a minute. Thank you.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, is the screen visible right now? Hello.
Yes, Pradeep Kalyan.
Yeah. Uh, if you are going into the interview process, you have successfully chosen a career path. You have learned something and did an internship in the career path, and you are going moving on to the next step to the interview. The first round will be the aptitude round, which focuses on logical reasoning, quant's ability, verbal ability, and basic problem solving skills. Our second round will be the technical interview. It consists of basically the if you are if 1,000 members are applying for the interview, and in the apps round, 90% of the people won't be selected. So that there is a huge competition in the companies in the case of apps round. Then in the second round, technical interview, the 10 of them are given with problems like data structures, algorithms, and some domain specific problems. They need to solve it, and they will be having some time limits. And the third round will be of HR round, which focuses on how you communicate, how your behavior, and some tricky questions to calculate about you and your career and your background. Next will be aptitude. Guys, do you know why they are having aptitude here? Guys, I know. Does anyone know why the reason? Guys, does anyone know why they are having aptitude here? What is the need? If I'm studying computer science, what is the need for the aptitude like that?
To face they were logically available like that. They're creating a
Critical
mindset
thinking.
of people to think in different ways.
Yeah, bro, it's correct. Others, yeah, logical thinking. Yeah, it's the same. They will just calculate how logical you are. In the case of real world problems, you will be thinking as logically. If you are going to build a program or something, you need to think logically whether it is possible, feasible, or not. So that they will be checking that. In the app, we will be having quantitative aptitude, which consists of percentage problems and some problems. Logical, such as your brain relation problems, etc. Verbal consists of some grammar things. Data interpretation, you will be given with the bar or pie charts. You need to interpret the data. This will be your first round of interview. Next, you will be having the technical round. In the technical round, you will be asked with the programming core subjects, what are your projects you have done, and some resources. You can use Lead Code, HackerRank, and Geeks for Geeks websites to just update yourself in the technical field or technical interviews. There you can find questions which are asked previously. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, Rish. Yeah, I need to mention that too. Sorry, guys. Due to some issues, the event has been. Just we will conclude the event by 9:30 p.m. Yeah, okay. You can use technical platforms like Lead Code, HackerRank, and Geeks for Geeks, and use a platform to just update and know what problems are used currently. In the case of data structures is a concept where you will be learning how to manage and how to store the data so that it is efficiently extracted when needed. Next will be your algorithms. Algorithms means the steps required to process the data and find something or use the data to get something. For example, if you are traveling in a bus and you need to shortest path, if you are taking your Google Maps, it provides shortest path right between two places. So that there we are using algorithm. You can just match your DSA with your nature. Nature provides everything, every solution to the DSA problems right now. So that if you are feeling stuck in DSA, just take a fresh breath, go walk 5 minutes, then come and sit. You will get the answer for sure. Max of you will get the answer. Next thing, guys, the every question, every answer you are getting in the DSA problem or right, but the best of the answers stands at the first. For example, if you are using a factorial program, you will get the answer for every method. You can solve the factorial using recursion, loops, if else statements, etc. So that we can use anything to solve the problem, but at the last point, it comes to the user experience and efficiency. How much time the problems takes to solve like that? It comes under the complexity part. So that uh, the main goal of DSA is to reduce the time taken, so that the process is within some millisecond, nanosecond like that. Next will be our HR round, the human resources manager round. There you will ask some common questions like, tell me about yourself. Like there we need to give some intro about ourselves, and the main trickiest question is your strength and weaknesses. You most of the people know their strength, but weakness. How many of you know your about your weakness right here? Yeah, about your weakness. Yeah, others weakness. If you are having strength, you should have some weakness, right? The HR will be pointing and asking that out first. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Next will be like why you are want to join us like that, and uh, where do you see yourself 5 years? They are just saying if you're joining my company and after 5 years, where you will be there like that. It's some tricky questions which will be evaluated, and you will be placed upon this HR round. This is the final round of the interview process. In most companies, most 90 to 95 percentage of the companies uses this process. If the number of candidates selected in the aptitude round are too high, they will be having 2 or 3 technical rounds to just reduce the participants and take the best one. It's like a competition like that. Is that okay, guys? Whether you are having any doubts here till now? I hope the presentation is ended. Yeah. Whether you are having any doubts here about the aptitude and DSA part, is it okay for you guys? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, Harish, bro.
Yeah, Pradeep Kalyan. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. We can wrap up, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Thank you guys for being here, and I hope you got some good ideas about what are the things we are gonna focus in upcoming days, and you gonna create your pathways and all. And we damn sure we will be giving you a large amount of time to think about what field you are gonna choose it, and don't be taking your pathways in a very easy way, because it's not ending with blaming your friend and all. He will be saying like that, choose full stack, and he will be left with some other paths. But make sure you must research that path in a very great way, and try to become a expert in that pathway, and apply for the internships or jobs. You will be getting that in a easy way. And thank you guys for being here, and I hope you all guys given you a good opportunity with us, and we will be helping you in prayer too. Yeah, and we will be noting the names who have been stayed too long. Yeah, we will be you just ping us. Okay, we will be giving up with some surprises to you all and all. Okay, thank you guys, and make sure to have a screenshot that you have been stayed these times. We will be sending you directly. Yeah, thank you guys. You can leave the meet now.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you. And okay, Darshini ji. Okay, just make sure to provide your screenshots, because we need to have giving you some kind of specs here. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, Hemant. Thank you for the screenshot. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Harish, அந்த மீட்ல வந்து ஜாயின் பண்றா. பிரதீப்
Yeah. Okay, I just now want to end the live. Yeah. Thank you.
வச்சு விடுங்க.
So, hello guys, thank you for being part of this amazing event, and I hope this event will be creating you a very ideal way to how to choose your path and your career. And thank you for being part of the Google Developer Groups on Campus community. And we'll be ending up this with now, and we hope you've been joined us through the live stream. If not, it's no problem. Yeah, thank you guys for once again for this opportunity. Yeah.